Here is Express, and the Express received from database only ID, user ID. And that user ID only need be processed back to frontend. We don't need this because frontend, there is that data, because frontend send that data. Okay. I don't need comma when it is last. I response to frontend only user ID, what coming from object result from a database, coming insert ID. And okay, it is expressed now. But let's go to user slice to tank. User's slice is here. User's slice, here. And here is a user slice, add response. And if I have all response and in that situation, I need only this. But now I don't need it. I don't need it. We can have console to see what in response data here must be only user ID, only user ID. Because of that, we must return, not return this return response data, but return user ID response data. And spread operator, a new user who is a new user is here. And that new user is all fields without user ID, because only database when insert new user, new record in table, created ID of that record, and in object result send it back to Express, and Express send it back to tank, and the tank received it in response.data, that user ID, and return and complete payload, create complete payload with user ID here. Return user ID from response data and copy new user, copy from, it is front end, copy data. And it means that data, new user, go transmit to Express, from Express to database, and not back. From database, back go only ID, user ID. And from Express to back go only ID, user ID. And the new user would be copy from here. And together, they are payload. Payload, what can be push to users here in add case. Add user fulfilled state user push action payload. Action payload is return what we see up. Okay, it is all about that, and I must control it. You see, Chat GPT don't does it, and you must, but you can learn it about that. You can learn from ChatGPT about that, and it means that ChatGPT and artificial intelligence coding, there is no innovation. There is nothing without monitors, control, and it is excellent, excellent tool. But uh, we must does our job, and that tool is not reason that anybody lose job, because must be must be man to work with tool, artificial intelligence. Okay, thank you for watching this video.